Ciao world! This is the IBM 5160 I've restored, and I have done a couple of things on this. So believe me or not, I have found this PC in the dumpster. Someone threw this away, and of course it doesn't work. It has a broken plastic on the monitor, but this is the minor thing. I have design and print this grill here, and also this plastic here has been repaired. The first time I've powered this PC on, I hear a crash sound, a boom sound, and it was a tantalum capacitor that exploded. So I've changed this tantalum capacitor on the board. Then another one was shorted. It works, but then another one was shorted. And finally I was able to boot this up, but there was an error. The error was due to the keyboard. I don't have at that time any XT keyboard. For this kind of PC you need a special kind of keyboard, that is the XT with the XT protocol. So I built a keyboard using a PS2 keyboard. I built an adapter that made a PS2 that implement the XT protocol. Later I have bought this mechanical keyboard used, and it works. Then after a while the hard drive doesn't work, so I have tried to check what doesn't work, and I have found that the power supply goes up to 10 volts instead of 12, and the 5 volts line was 4.5. It takes me a while because I cannot find diagram and cannot find nothing about this power supply, but finally with the help of the people at the EV blog forum I was able to fix the issue. That was a simple Zener diode, and let's power this PC on. This is a green and black green phosphor monitor. This PC also has inside a RAR keyboard, a RAR board that I don't use, so I'm going to give this board away. And RAM check is done. Now it's trying to load from the floppy, and now it will load the operating system from the hard drive. You see the light here, it's loading. It asks me in Italian because this is MS-DOS for IBM in Italian version, to enter the date and the time, and then we have DOS version 3.3, and let's see what's in the hard drive. There's nothing because I clean all, and that's the PC. And this is how it looks inside the 20 megabyte hard drive, the floppy driver, supply, motherboard, and the cards here. BIOS revision is 86.